Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript numbers. JavaScript has only one type of number. Numbers can be written with or without decimals. Let's come in here and type script tag. Within a script tag I'm gonna add console log and say 3.25. hit save. Let me reload my live server, and now I'm gonna open our Chrome DevTool. Let's click here and click on console. Alright, now let me clear this and refresh. We got 3.25, or we can type in here 3 as well. Hit save. We got 3. Let me zoom it in. Extra large or extra small numbers can be written with scientific exponent notation. Just come in here and type 123 E5. Hit save and we get this number. Or we can also type in here negative. Hit save to display small numbers. Now there are lots of theories regarding numbers, but we'll cover only those that is useful for the beginning level. Now let's go ahead and talk about adding numbers. Say if you add two numbers, 5 plus 5, hit save, we got 10. And if you add number and a string, that will be a string concatenation. Say come in here and type codes and type in here hello, hit save, live reload. Let me restart my live server. I don't know why it's causing issues. Let's open Chrome DevTools and click on console. Alright, we got 5 and hello. Let me reload it. 5 and hello, and this result is string concatenation. Say if you come in here and you wanna do some arithmetic, say the total is, and add a plus sign here, 5 plus 5, hit save, and this is 55 because this is not something adding a number, it's about concatenation, string with numbers. Whereas if here we have got number, hit save, now we got 1055. Or if we come here and type in here let x equals 100 colon, or let y equals under quotes 100, and come in here and x plus y, hit save, we got 100. Whereas if we come in here and remove this plus sign and divide it, hit save, we got 1. It will work in this case. Or if we change it to asterisk, hit save, it gives us perfect result. Or if we come in here and add negative, hit save, we got 0. But if we add here plus sign and hit save, in this case it will not work, and it also raises an issue. Live reload is not possible without body or head tag. I've got body and head tag, so let's stop it and I'm gonna restart my REST server. With this extension, if you're using Visual Studio Code, you don't need to reload your pages, you make changes to your source file. we have got another type of number, which is, let's come in here. Let me open my devtool and click on console. Let's reload and let's come in here and type, say, 100 divided by, it's safe, and we got NaN, stands for not a number. Whereas if a string includes any number, say 25, hit save, it works. But it will not work in case of addition. Now let's come in here and talk about infinity. And infinity is returned if you calculate a number outside the largest possible number. Let's come in here and start some coding. I'm gonna type in here, say, let's come in here and I'm gonna add in here a paragraph tag, and I'm gonna give it an ID of demo. Let's come in here and type, say, my number equals empty string semicolon, or let's make it 2. Come to the next line and type in here, let text equals, let's fix this, and here I'm gonna give an empty string. Next line, and I'm gonna call in here while function, and the condition would be as far as my number is not equals to infinity infinity. Let's come to the next line and type in here, my number is equal to my number asterisk I'm writing this code to calculate some infinity value. Let's come to the next line and type in here, text equals text plus my number plus, and then I'm gonna give it a line break, semicolon, and then I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna display the result in our paragraph tag by document.getElementById, and the ID is demo dot, I'm gonna call in here inner HTML equals text. Hit save and let me zoom it in, and if you see, it starts from 2 into 2 4s, 4 into 4 equals 16, and then it moves forward until it reaches infinity. Now let's come in here and I'm gonna comment out all of this code and type in here, say, console log, and here I'm gonna type 2 divided by 0, hit save, console, and I don't know why it gives me an error. Hit save and let's restart our live server. If I open my Chrome DevTools, and inside DevTools I'm gonna go for console tab, and we get infinity, dividing any number with 0. equals infinity, or say -2, hit save, we get negative infinity. Now let's remove or cut all of this code from here, and let's come in here or say JavaScript interprets numeric constants as hexadecimal value if they are preceded by OX. Type in here 0x or FF, hit save. We again got an issue. I don't know why let's come in here and